Welcome to the QR Pro ecosystem. Here we use a simple BST approach: backtest, scan, trade. This video is your guide on how to use the system to get the most out of it. 3 tools, 1 workflow. Most traders skip straight to trading. They find an indicator, add it to a chart, and start taking signals. No testing, no system, no consistency. Then they wonder why results are random. BST fixes that. You test your settings before risking money, scan for opportunities across multiple markets. Trade with confidence because you've already done the work. Backtest, scan, trade. Start with the QR Pro Backtester. It runs your settings against historical data. You see win rate, profit factor, drawdown, actual numbers, not guesses. Test different configurations: a TR stops versus swing stops, TPRSI on versus off, range filter enabled or disabled. Find what works for your market and time frame. Once you have settings that perform, write them down. You'll use the same settings in the next 2 steps. You've tested your settings. Now find opportunities. The QR Pro scanner monitors up to 20 instruments using the same logic as the Backtester. One dashboard shows which markets have active setups, trend direction, and confidence levels. Match your scanner settings to your backtested settings. Same parameters, same filters. When you see a setup forming, open that chart with QR Pro to trade it. Scanner found a setup, or you're watching your main instrument and conditions are right. Open QR Pro on the chart, same settings you backtested. The signal appears with entry, stop, and target levels. Take the trade. Manage it with your configured rules. Backtest gave you confidence. Scanner showed you the instrument. QR Pro executes. This only works if your settings match across all 3 tools. Backtester, scanner, indicator settings. Same numbers, same filters, same logic. Keep a note of your configuration. Apply it everywhere. That's the system. Here's what it looks like in practice. I backtested BTC on the 4-hour chart with these settings: swing stop, partial take profit enabled, TPRSI confirmation on. Results looked solid. I opened QR Pro on BTC with the same settings. When a signal triggers, I take the trade. Entry, stop, and target levels are on the chart. That's the core workflow: backtest, trade. Now, if I want to monitor multiple instruments at once, I add them to the scanner with the same settings. Scanner shows me the current state across all of them: trend direction, confidence, whether a position is active. When something triggers, I get the alerts from the scanner. I open that chart with QR Pro and execute. That's the full BST system. Backtest your settings. Trade with QR Pro. Scale up with the scanner when you're ready. The system gives you structure, not guaranteed profits. Markets change. Past backtest results don't promise future performance. Use BST as a framework. Manage your risk. Stay consistent. Full tutorials for the Backtester, scanner, and QR Pro are linked in the description. Drop a comment if you have questions about the workflow.